Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm also well. My name is Caroline Kihugu and this is Carol the Move YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you're new, maybe you might consider subscribing or commenting and maybe just a green heart to know that you are new to this channel. Anyway, I'm here because I want to do... Okay, someone commented in my previous video that I look pregnant. And personally, I also feel like I look pregnant because of the way my stomach is big. You would even think I'm like 6 months pregnant. Anyway, I'm not pregnant. Almost. I'm a few days to my periods, and I happen to like have my stomach bloating most of the time. Anyway, but I also feel like I've added so much weight around, especially around my stomach. So I thought of doing a challenge, like doing everything around the house while pregnant, but of course it's going to be fake. So I think I'm going to add, okay, let me add some things around my clothes, then talk to you around my stomach, then talk to you and tell you what next. I wanted to get a watermelon, but I kind of forgot. So I know it's not even and doesn't look like I'm pregnant, but this will work for now. So what you're going to do, I'm going to start with the kitchen because it looks so filthy. Actually, I've not been like feeling well for some days, and well, I've not been feeling well for some days, and I've been coughing non-stop to a point that I feel weak. I still feel weak at the moment, but because my house is so dirty and I don't think I can clean everything at a go, we'll start with the kitchen and probably tomorrow do like the laundry and the house, but while pregnant. Hey, I'm panting a lot because of the cold. It's making me extremely uncomfortable. Very, very uncomfortable. But I don't know what it is with pregnancy that makes one want to go to the toilet that much. Because after putting like these things and it's fake, I feel like going to the toilet. So let me first of all go to the toilet, then we start like doing the dishes. I don't know if you can see the situation of this house. My back is killing me. And I've just been standing for like an hour. So for supper tonight, I'm going to have ugali and sukuma wiki, that is kales and spinach. Ugali is water and maize flour just mix. I don't know if you saw the process, but yeah, that's all that I'm going to have for tonight. So let's go dig in. And of course, I'll have my water, my lemon. I'm going to make lemon, ginger, and garlic water because of the cold, and the cough. Anyway, yep. Now I understand why pregnant women sit with their legs apart, because I don't know if you can sit with their legs closed. It's so hard. Let me finish eating, watch a vlog, and call it a night. Hey. Luckily for me, I can take it out. For any pregnant woman, they have to be like this for the entire 9 months. There are no breaks, there are no, like, salute to all pregnant moms, to all moms, because this is not easy. Like, I've just stood there for like an hour or so, and I'm just carrying like 1.5 kgs on my stomach, and my back is literally killing me. How you do it for 9 months, plus the cravings, plus the morning sickness, the sickness, hey, it is not easy. You guys, congratulations for that. And I hope one day I'll also get to experience this, so that you don't just say she's pregnant when my stomach is bloated. Actually, I think my period started, so yeah, I might as well have some moods while I'm vlogging this vlog, because period is another thing. It's like pregnancy. You have like mood swings and all that. But anyway, I wouldn't like ask for any other way. I'm glad I'm a woman, and I'm glad that I received my periods. I'm so glad for that. Anyway, I'm going to have my supper, watch a vlog, and call it a night.